Dear students, ITS Engineering College has a very unique way of developing students in their area of interest. Here at ITS Engineering College, we try to collect your interest area, like which technology you are interested in. Like, for example, you are doing B.Tech from mechanical engineering. Now there are number of technologies which are available. You can choose 3D printing, you can choose thermodynamics, you can choose mechatronics, you can choose robotics. There are a lot of opportunities which are available, lot of technologies which are available. Now once you have chosen a particular technology, at ITS Engineering College, what we do, we invite experts in those particular domains. So if you have chosen robotics, we'll try to invite experts all across the country who will be taking expert talks in the area of robotics. In addition to this, we motivate the students to get enrolled in online MOOCs programs which are again from robotics area. In addition to this, we encourage the students to do their internships, to do their summer projects, to do their minor projects in their area of choice. So what happens because of this? In your 3 years from second, third and fourth year, you develop a good level of expertise in your area of interest. And the advantage of this is that at the time of placements, when companies come, you can show them a lot of credentials in your area of interest. And the possibility of cracking a good job, getting into a good company increases manifold because of this special expertise in your area of interest. So I request you to consider ITS Engineering College for taking admission in B.Tech program. Thank you so much.